Recently, we've all experienced a tremendous amount of change in our lives. Some of us are working from home, others are stressed out because they have to manage the children who aren't in the preschool and so forth. And I don't know if people ever go back into the office like they were before. But not having to travel 3 hours a day in your commute on the train or in the car or in traffic, what are you going to do with that extra time? So this is the year of self-improvement. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to model what the 3 secret skills of top performers do. And I'll teach you that in the TRIAD Performance Improvement System. It's very easy to master. There are 3 secret skills. You learn them independently, but you apply them interdependently together. And once you do that, you'll see a great change immediately in your quality of life by improving what you do on the job. For tasks at home, some aren't very much fun, like cleaning out your gutters, mowing the lawn. But then you've got skills. You could learn to be a writer, or you could be an artist, or play the piano, learn a new language. And then, of course, there are the relationships. I mean, now you're dealing with a spouse at home all the time. I know what that's like, because my wife works from home. And then you also have a relationship with hopefully a higher power in your life to help get you through these hard times. So come to the website and look at the different courses that we have for you that will be designed just to help you improve your performance in less time by following what the 3 secret skills do for the top performers. And I look to see you there.